The King's Parrot. One day, a businessman enters into the court of King Krishnadevaraya. The businessman says, "Good morning, King." The king replies, "Good morning and welcome." The businessman, "King, I have bought a wonderful parrot for you. It talks like any of us." The parrot, "Good morning, King. Greetings to you." The king is surprised. A talking parrot. He is very much pleased and says, "Oh, thank you, businessman. This parrot shall be my best friend. Take good care and see that nothing happens to it. But I am going to punish you if anything goes wrong with the parrot." He promises, saying, "I promise you, my king, I will take good care of it." From that day onwards, he has been taking very good care of the parrot. But unfortunately, one day, the parrot dies. He thinks to himself, "Oh God, save me. What will happen to me once the king comes to know that the parrot is dead?" He goes into a corner, starts crying. Tenali sees. He goes to his place and asks him, "What happened? Why are you crying?" "Oh, what to do? The king ordered me to take good care of this parrot. I have done all I could do. I have given it the best. I have seen that he lacked nothing. But see what happened. The parrot is dead. Please help me overcome this problem, Tenali. Please." "Oh, don't worry. I will give you a very good idea. Do it and see what happens." He slowly goes and whispers something into the businessman's ears. The next day, in the court of the king, "How is my parrot?" "Oh, king, it is fine, but it is not talking. It is not eating. I do not know what the reason is." The king was surprised. "Oh, Tenali, see what has happened to the parrot. Come, let's go and visit." They go to the parrot. The king observes that the parrot was dead. He thinks he's been cheated. He says, "This parrot is already dead. Pardon me, king, but I have followed all your orders." "Okay, I excuse you." But at the back of the king's mind, he knew whose idea this was. So this must be Tenali's idea. "Tenali, is it your idea?" One day, the king Srikrishnadevaraya throws a challenge between the priest and Tenali. "I am giving you both 100 coins each. Every